Hello everyone, I'm Alagbe Grace once again. Now in the last class, we talked about quadrilaterals and their properties. We treated the first example, which is parallelogram. Today we are moving to the next example, which is rectangles and squares. Starting with rectangle, what is a rectangle? A rectangle is a quadrilateral with all its angles right angled. You should remember that right angles are 90 degrees. You can note that this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and this is as well a right angle. Now let's move straight to the properties of a right angle. All angles are equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. We should see that in this. Now you can see me holding a paper. This paper is a rectangle shape. You can try this on your own too. Can you see that all the angles are 90 degrees? Very good. Do that on your own to get a rectangle shaped thing, and you will see that all the angles are 90 degrees. The second property, opposite sides are parallel. You can see that in the picture. These are the opposite lines. So line BC is parallel to line AD. Line BA is parallel to line CD. That is the way it works. So opposite sides are parallel. The next property, opposite sides are equal in length. By these two marks, you would note that it is telling you that this line and this line they have the same length. Also, this line and this line, they have the same length. So opposite sides are equal in length. Next property, equal diagonals bisect each other. They bisect at that place where I marked it at intersect I. That is where they bisect each other. All right. Next property, they have two lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. Let's see that in the video. Now when you fold it, that is, and it matches, that's one line of symmetry. Can you see? That's the second line of symmetry. When you rotate it twice, you get the same shape. So move to the next, which is square. Now here's how you can make a square from a rectangle. You can try to do this on your own too. A square is a rectangle with 4 sides. So you have your rectangle, just fold it the way you see me folding it. Can you see that? Then you cut out that part. Very good. The rest you will have is a square. Very good. Now let's move to the properties of a square. 1, each interior angle equals 90. 2, diagonals bisect at right angles. Let's look at this very short video. Just the same way it works for a rectangle, all the angles of a square are right angles, and even the diagonal, they bisect at right angles. Can you see? If you put your protractor on the line, you see it's also 90 degrees. Very, very good. Let's move to the next. All sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. As you can see, BC is equal to CD, it is equal to DA, is equal to AB. So all sides are equal in length. Also, opposite sides are parallel, just like in the rectangle. This BC is parallel to AD. AB is parallel to DC. That is the way it works. Next, equal diagonals bisect each other. Can you see the diagonal? These are the diagonal lines. Now line AC is also equal to line BD. And so therefore, AI is equals to IC. BI is equals to ID. Can you see that? Diagonals bisect corner angles so that each angle is 45. You can see that the diagonals bisect in the middle of 90 degrees. And when you divide 90 into 2, that is 45 degrees. So those are the properties. Let's move to the last part. It has 4 lines of symmetry. 4 good lines of symmetry. You can fold it in 4 ways and they will match. Yes, that's 2. That's 3. And then the 4th one, fold it again. Yes, you can fold it in 4 ways and they will match. The next, which is the last, it has rotational symmetry of order 4. Let's watch the video. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the last property for this. All right. Make sure to practice all you saw me do in the video so that you can understand it for yourself. Next time we're going to treat the third example, which is rhombus. So see you next time. Have a good day.